Hi parents, welcome to third grade. This year is an exciting time of growth and discovery for your child. Let's take a look at some of the things your student will be learning this year. This is a copy of the third grade learning targets from the Arkansas Department of Education. It outlines some of the major ideas and themes that are in the third grade standards. You will receive a copy of this at parent-teacher conferences. Please be sure to be checking your child's folder soon about a time that you can sign up to come meet with us to discuss all the things that we'll be learning this year. In third grade, we have 6 major areas of study. We'll look into phonics and reading and writing, math, science, and social studies, where we will take a deep dive into all of the things that students need to know. Let's look at these broken up by quarter. Our first quarter for literacy, we're going to look at identifying main idea, asking and answering questions, and other phonics skills that are going to help our reading and our writing. In math, we're going to focus on multiplication, place value to the thousands, and continue to add and subtract with larger numbers. In science, students are going to be expected to develop an understanding of force and motion with lots of fun opportunities for hands-on learning experiences. In social studies, we're going to look at civics and government and how that helps our world function. At home, we encourage you to read things together, such as books and passages. Encourage them to keep a short daily journal. Practice reading and writing different red words and other items at home, and then practice multiplication with real-world examples. In quarter 2, we're going to continue to have a literacy focus where we're looking at comparing characters in different texts. This is a big shift from second grade to third grade. We're also going to continue into layer 3 and 4 with our phonics skills and red words. In math, by the end of the quarter, we're going to have students hopefully have a good understanding of that multiplication so that we can move on to different areas of math. In science, we will learn about the weather and climate and how that affects our everyday life. During social studies for the second quarter, students will learn about being a good community member and why people get involved in their communities. At home, continue to read with your child and practice those multiplication facts and even some red words. For quarter 3, once we get back from Christmas break, we're going to continue with our literacy skills where we're going to look at different texts in order to summarize what we've read to show our understanding. We're going to continue to work on layer 3 and 4 phonics skills and red words, and then also be able to write opinion pieces where we have our reasons for our opinions with text-based evidence. In math, we're going to continue with multiplication and then making that connection to some division, and we will also be introducing fractions. In science, students are going to have an opportunity to explain similarities and differences between different organisms that they are learning about. And in social studies, students are going to learn about economics. Again, at home, continue to do that reading and practicing of multiplication facts and red words. Those are 3 things that throughout the year really are going to help all students. In quarter 4, students are going to continue with their literacy information with various informational, narrative, and opinion text. We're going to be using our thinking so that we can explain what we've read in not only presentations, but also with writing. Students will continue to work on layer 3 and 4 phonics skills. In math, students will solve problems with liquid volumes and time, and students will also review area and perimeter within 2-dimensional shapes. We're going to continue to add and subtract, multiply, and divide. In science, students are going to learn how that we can protect animals when their habitats change. In social studies, students will learn about inventions and how technology makes a difference in our lives. So we're going to wrap up the year with some really fun things. Continue at home with reading and practicing multiplication facts and those red words. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we look forward to a great year.